Hello, today's video takes us back to the hair salon. Can you believe it's been 6 weeks now since I've had the extensions put in and have gone blonde? I've been wearing it back in a ponytail a lot lately because the extensions have grown out and they've slipped a little bit. So some are here, some are here. It's a lob. It's a very uneven kind of a thing going on. Anywho, they need to be removed. I'm about ready to head on summer vacation and swimming and sea, and I'm thinking these things are not very practical for that. So we're going to take them out. We're going to do some hair smoothing, anti-frizz treatment, a little color touch up, a little trim, talking summer trends. So come on, let's go into the salon.
I'm a new dad.
You are a new dad.
How are you, babe?
I'm so excited to see you.
Oh my God.
I want to see a picture of that child of yours.
Oh, this one?
Oh, that one?
This one right here?
Oh my gosh.
No, and look, no stretch marks. None. Tight. Muscle memory.
So it took about, after the extensions were put in, a week to get used to it. And it was more at nighttime, sleeping. Yeah. And like you said, they were in so many different areas, so I kept moving.
Really
I was trying to find that magic spot, you know, where I wasn't rubbing against anything.
Exactly.
And it was a little difficult.
Exactly.
But after the first week, it all settled and everything was good.
It seemed like you had fun with them. So
I really did. I was so impressed with the versatility. Of
like how you wore your hair up today whenever you came in.
Yeah,
didn't even see
you can't even tell. You couldn't see the stitching, nothing. So they were really, really fun. But they've got to come out before France because I don't think the Mediterranean Sea will be so kind to them.
No, I appreciate you doing that.
Yes.
Who knows what you would have come back with.
I know. So we'll save them for later.
So true to character.
Exactly. Saron speak.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
I'm dying.
He has a YouTube channel now.
Yes.
Everybody wants a YouTube channel.
Everybody. What have you started?
I don't know.
You were one of the OGs too.
I guess. At least in my demographic.
Yeah, absolutely. For sure.
Yeah.
You're looking really cute right now.
Thanks. Yes. One of my favorite looks.
I think we're done here.
Okay. But I have to say it's really easy getting these removed. Probably easier than the tape-in extensions. You feel a lot more tugging with the tape-in than with this. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. I could look. It's so cute. Isn't it great?
I think we found a new use for it.
So what we doing?
Absolutely. So basically, we are taking the roots where we have some of the extension. And like you see, it's such a big demarcation.
Yeah.
Because you're not going to have them. And you're going to be exposed to the water and ocean and carefree. I don't want it to be so
Yes,
dark.
such a dark line. Okay.
So it will have, it's just like retouching your roots.
Okay.
But very not creating, not making you completely blonde.
Right.
Just to break the base a little bit.
Got it.
You know, because we're really not. Actually, we just enhance them, your base color, because we really like it.
Yep.
I think with your base color, the blonde, it'll be more natural and what we're targeting to.
Okay.
Because remember, you want to be a little more clear, the blonde, you know, more natural.
Yes, natural for sure. And having some dark root is important for me because then my eyes show up.
That's right, exactly.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's
So
good.
basically, I just take the God-given highlights.
Yeah.
Create a little bit of my highlights.
There you go. Thank you.
Just a little.
Man-made, God-made. Who can tell the difference? Although I am surprised, and I told you this, I thought my natural color was a lot darker than what it is.
No.
I mean,
You're probably like a level 7.
Yeah.
Which is not bad.
It's
at
not
all.
dark. It's what, like a medium to a light ash brown?
Absolutely.
Craziness.
You know what is it they call it? Dishwasher blonde?
Yes.
Is that what? Yeah, that's what you have. You're a natural blonde.
And all this time I was making myself so dark because I thought I was that dark. I'm not that dark.
Not at all.
Shocker.
But what has been your reaction for you personally?
Oh, I love it. I mean, I love it. I think it was a big shock to my audience, and it took a little while to settle because it was a huge transformation. But I've had so many positive comments on it. And especially my husband and my mother, see, to her, this is like me when I was 4. So for her, it's like her little girl is here. Yeah, yeah. And my husband loves his new girlfriend.
Yes.
She does you, you do me.
Yeah. Now, if she does me like this, no wonder I'm gay.
You want the messy look, right?
I know, but
a little spiky.
I know.
It's good. A little forward.
You see how just by putting that, it turns like it's black.
Yeah.
I mean, like just a little bit.
It's amazing.
No, don't make me move on. I don't want to look like hunky chip. I know always the guy from Vegas.
What?
The guy from Vegas. What's his name?
Who's in Vegas?
The one who sings Hanky Chip or Donkey Chain. Yeah, Donkey Chain. I don't remember. Okay, so you're gonna be in La France.
Oui.
And
In the
toute la summer, toute l'été.
Right.
And you're gonna be on the beach.
Yeah.
You're gonna be swimming. You're gonna be all doing a sport. I always think, bye, sweetheart, good to see you. I will, thank you. I always think people they don't believe me on this, but I think the different temperatures when you are in Costa Rica and when you are in Europe and when you're in Mexico, how the water is.
Yeah,
believe it or not.
It's different sodium levels.
So completely. And I think Europe, and it's more calm, but I think the water has more salt.
I agree, which is going to kill me.
So you never think about those things, but I was thinking about like because it's totally different. And so I think we're going to use a little stronger Brazilian glow.
Yep.
Still nothing to make it, all of these products, they don't make your hair completely flat and straight, you know? They just help you to prevent some of the frizziness and also to make it, easy for you to blow dry or to achieve other looks without using your dryer.
Good.
That's basically going to be this.
And for me, the worst is, of course, always right up front.
Right
These
up front,
guys, they're fried. Yeah.
So that's what we're going to do. Oh, that was just a little.
It was just the extension that I cut, not my own hair.
Excuse me, you are on my video.
Sorry.
I mean, sorry. Yeah, like she's totally not. It's not so easy to be
you.
Me and Dominique.
Yeah.
Like Dominique. So don't you love your name over there, Dominique?
Dominique. Yeah, the way the French say it. Dominique. It's the N that gets drawn out.
I love it.
Yeah.
Dominique.
Here in Texas, Dominique. There, Dominique.
I'm saying glad.
Yes.
What about your last name?
Well, which one? The Sachse or the Florescu?
Which one do you use over there?
Over there, Florescu.
Florescu.
Yeah.
And you're like, who's that?
Who's that? My husband thinks, yes, she's married to me. Who are you?
I didn't use a flat iron on your bangs because I really don't want it to be straight like that.
Right.
You still want to have a little bit of movement, and you can see that
Right.
Then
you still use heat to apply it.
Exactly.
The heat is what
Very
bonds
hot. Bonds the Brazilian. Yeah.
Right.
And now you have to be careful. A lot of people they just go bananas with the heat. You have to make sure that you are different levels of heat.
Yeah.
Very important. I wouldn't. So they all have a level.
Yep.
So 410, that's way too much for you. So you go lower.
Right.
So you go to 380.
Okay.
Nothing about 400 with your highlights is good.
Right. What are we doing, and what are some summer trends?
Trends, you're it.
I'm the trend?
You're completely it. I mean, absolutely. Have you seen every single girl with a blonde cut?
Yeah.
Juliana, with Juliana Hough.
Yes.
She looks amazing. Yep. Everybody, Margot, all this really, starlets from Hollywood, that everybody has cut their hair it's just so useful.
Yeah, it is.
Fresh,
Yeah, it is
and,
fresh.
you know. So definitely you are the trend, and then you know a lot of the warm blondes, which is what you have,
Right.
and still a lot of the beigey, you know, the very pale blonde, or
That's
they're
all-
almost. But it's not really a. It's not little like a super platinum blonde.
Right.
It almost has like a little hint of. Maybe a little lavender in
I
there,
agree with you.
without being
Yes.
grayish
Yes.
or anything.
It's a
They
totally
have a
modern-
little tone in there, you know. It's not just white
Right.
or silver.
Yeah.
It has a little undertone that is very important, just to make it more you.
Yes.
And you see, before you couldn't do this treatment without, it would be so
Yes.
dead.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It would be so because they over dried it,
Right.
and now it has lots of life.
I love it.
You know.
I love it. I think it is just so cool. Talk about the importance of a deeper root and not bringing the highlight all the way to the
Well,
scalp.
number one, it's very useful, so you don't look like your grandmother. We didn't frost your hair. Remember when they used to say, "Oh, please don't, you know,
Frost.
a little frost."
Yes.
So it's just way more useful, and also sets the tones of the highlights, you know, because it's a darker base, so you can really see the blonde you are. You know what I mean?
And you know what I find too, by having just a little bit of root depth, it brings out your eyebrows. Your eyebrows match
Matches.
up here.
Yeah,
It brings out the eyes. There's just something about a little bit of depth.
absolutely. So this is your summer
My summer
look, and I cannot wait to see what we're gonna do for fall, which is
which is
you're
what?
gonna probably see she's gonna be, you know, platinum something.
Yeah, she won't change.
A little bit change.
Yeah, I don't know.
No,
It's
but
exciting.
it is wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I love it. I love it.
Thank you, thank
I love
you. Love you, I love you
your
more. Thank you.
creativity and your
Thank you. Thank you.
Your ideas.
You make me every day I think about you because you really help me to improve, to
Thank
get
you.
better, to get better.
You know, we inspire one another.
Yeah. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, my love. Perfect. Let's continue working. Bye.
Bye.